Alrighty, so I've made some key adjustments to the banking application. So before I had some problems that were affecting me, and so in a bit of the time since recording, I decided to fix some of those problems. The main problem that I was having was when I was logging into my application was that I couldn't get any text fields in here because I had actually had my whole game panel class extend be an extension of the JPanel class. So I couldn't actually have any other panels or any other drawings on like this frame here. And so the way that I remedied that was that I created a new panel that I set up here. I set the layout equal to null under this class that extends the JPanel class. I added it here, and then in my JPanel class, I've decided to actually set some bounds here, in order to like have part of the screen dedicated towards my graphics at the bottom here, and then have a part of it dedicated towards the other part that's going to be where I actually do the transactions, like the draw features and all that. So let's get to coding that now that I've got that figured out. So first things first, let me actually have some user interactability. So let me set up some booleans here. We're gonna do withdraw, deposit, what else? Transfer. And there should be another option. Alright, so withdraw, deposit, transfer. Actually, I think that should be it. Because I think after that it's just transaction history. Or I guess I can do that, transaction history. Have them obviously null for now. So, yeah, and then I think it's equal to 2, because I think 1 is automatically the menu state. Let's copy this. I'm going to set here with 2, so withdraw is going to be true. This one is going to be, what was it? I think I also forgot to loop this. 3, I believe, was deposit? Go check what my states were. Yeah, withdraw state, deposit, transfer, and I had a 5th one. Withdraw, deposit is going to be true. Then transaction was number 5. So wrap these around. Okay. Under escape. So basically, once the user has the little less than sign, if they click on not escape, that's why I meant to say enter, then these will be true. Cut this. Paste these here. Let's make it look nice and neat. Cut. here. And you... Oh. Why'd I do this? That was a very stupid thing I just did. Okay, so now I see a problem that's gonna come up. Once you click on enter, I think it should automatically have everything else equal to false so you can change. Spelling. Then of course, transaction. Then here, withdraw. Let's copy these. Pause this one. Transfer. Oh. Should be good. And I have all these booleans set up. Let's go back here for a second. Actually, I want to change the bounds. This is 600. Instead, set this on the Y at I think around 200 should be fine. Let's log in. And I plan to polish this up a bit more. Drag this to like 580 or something. So just the functionality phase. I'm gonna have this looking a bit more nice and tidy. Have some graphics here. I'm gonna change the length of this. One reason why I have this background red is so I can like know how large this is for the moment. 50 actually would be perfectly fine. Yeah, that's. I have a button under here as well. It'll say submit. So let's do that right now. The J button. Call it. Okay, I'm not gonna be childish here, but that's just what I'm gonna call it for now. Say submit. So instead of enter. Set the bounds of this at 590, 250, 100. Oh, I forgot to add it. Let's add you here. Actually, bring you further along the X. This is too much fun. That's what it looks like. Now let's elongate you. 200 long. Bring you to around 580. And a lot of, again, still more resizing. I wish this would be so much simpler. 570, please tell me this is going to be closer. I was working on pan, that's what happened. Moving. Let me elongate it. Yeah, it works. So if I'm going to use these booleans here in the update method. Just want to work on these. So if draw is true, well, not an update method since I actually want to draw. Do it at the bottom here. So if draw equals true, I want to draw a string that says draw amount. So where should I bring it? Around 500 on the X. Be like 100 on the Y for now. I think that should. That's what happened. I messed it up. Change these all. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Actually bring this back. This whole panel right here, it's in its way. So instead of drawing the string here, let me instantiate the key class here then. CH key handlers. Create a new text label. Text to say withdraw amount. And then set bounds. Get around what it was before. So 500, 100, set like 300, 300. It's not going to utilize this, but actually set this further down here. Where frame is actually a thing. Let's see if this works. See if my idea was good enough. Enter. See anything? Problem is I didn't extend this label, this J panel to extend right here in the bounds, so it can't really be right here. I could have it right here though, retrospect. That is another idea. Yeah, this is me trying to figure everything out. I'm not trying to cheat the system by looking up everything online and having solutions right there in front of my face. The only exception was I was spending a very long time finding the last errors that I was dealing with. It took me like 5 hours to like logically figure out why I wasn't getting what I was getting. Another thing I forgot was to pass this class, the just extension of the J panel, into the argument, so the thread didn't know like what to run through as like for its like actual thread. So that was also a very beginner mistake I didn't notice. I could have it here. Down here again, in circles. Amount. So let's have it around 500, that's like 300. That should be. Let's see what I get. Have it fit further, so let's try 445. Enter. I could freak it back even further. 20 pixels should be fine. Let me just check one more time. Make sure that's what I want. Get back. Okay. Let's copy this. So if now should be deposit. Oh my god. Spelling. Just change this to deposit amount. I just don't spell that word very often. It's not a word I have to look at very often. Be able to change it back and forth. Right. Draw amount. Bring deposit amount closer. I believe it's transfer. Transfer amount. Transaction history is going to do something very different. Transaction history, I'm just going to draw over all of this on the left side of the screen and write over it with some like transaction history. I was thinking about learning a bit of SQL while I was at it to save like the account name and password and not just have it preset to something that I wanted, and then also be able to save people's transaction history. But for now, I'm just looking for functionality in this app. So now that we have this, so drawing is taken from the balance, deposit is putting money, transferring is basically the withdraw function. So let's work on the withdraw first. First thing we need to check. First thing we need to check is if need to check game panel. That's its argument. That's what it was. So, here we go. So if key dot draw is true, that text field that I named that text field text3. This one, what? Right. We're gonna have string withdraw amount equal to Um, text 3 dot get text. Main panel balance. I believe it is balance, right? Is it balance? Balance. Get a double equals find that value of doubles. Oh wait, I'm doing the opposite. That was a double, right? Okay, no, the double is balance. Okay. Wait. And again, see what happens. This is the balance. What if I want to take away $3,000? Well, first I need to enter, right? Or did I screw it up? I screwed it up. First click enter. $3,000. Submit. Hmm. Nothing. Hmm. Submit button is not working. Give me that. That's not good. Button isn't functioning, I don't believe. Let me get rid of this for a second. Make sure this is actually working. This is contained in here, and I can no longer click on this or something. I could test out this theory by doing this. Here. Oh, I could put it here. Just need to go. Oh, this is still. I'm still trying to get it outside of here. Let's test theory. Now we're getting something. I get rid of this for a second. I should be able to have this function. Alright. Okay, so the button's functioning now, so that's good. Let's put next thing to work on. I need to actually got a account information fix now. Now let's see, what do I call this? 3. Just want print what W is for now. Let's just keep it simple. Alright, it's containing what it is. So now balance equal W balance minus balance so this gives me I would draw, let's do 3,000. It's 192,000, so let's do 30,000. It's a big difference. Right, it is giving me what I need now. That this gives me. Well, I can only take away like $30.29 when I've been given this very empty bank account. So it's giving me what I needed. Only problem is that this account balance isn't updated. Game panel.balance isn't being updated. I could try and change Val. So I'm gonna switch it. Oh, I also added break statements to these switch statements. I don't know why I forgot the first time. Hmm. I wonder what happens if I do this multiple times as well. If I can make multiple calls. 2,000. Oh, I can only take oil. So it's 1210. 140. Yeah, so I can. I can't keep doing this. I get into many negative numbers. So this is only going to be if C dot withdrawal is true. Getting closer towards the functionality I was hoping for. This has been a real pain in the neck to connect. I tried to create an accessor method to be able to get the account name, but I'm having trouble doing that. I'm also not having trouble getting the account balance stuff, dude. It's been quite the hassle. Well, 1,000. Yep, that works. Let me create check. Just check 2 and check 3. No. Check 2 and then check 3. That's functionality. If that check 2 is true, first one was withdraw. This one should be deposit now. This plus what's given with us. It's gonna add on. And then the third is transfer. It's practically going to be the same thing. I need to set up some checks and balances here. So when it comes to So if in panel, um, balance, rather, bow, so if all is less than or equal to 0, have the over graph A be equal to the distance. Going to say that we're gonna just create another label, why not? What will the text say? So I guess graphy. I mean, not easy though. I just wanna like throw an illegal argument exception and call it a day, right? Actually do this and actually throws illegal argument exception. Oh, I can throw one. This is me completely assuming what the user wants to do, but I'm kind of saving them a bullet here. The wall cannot exceed amount in account. So the overdraft fee will be for like maybe a transfer. For now I can do this. Otherwise, just want to print to the user. And label here. Text to be do this here. This is gonna be hard to edit, so frame add. I could actually do frame.setVisible. I didn't even see this. Because, wait. Setting the bounds. Let's bring it at 400, 500, 300. And submit. That was more than that was in the count. I wasn't paying attention. What? I got my legal argument exception. Now I could probably do that. Take out 30,000. Got 30,000. It's working, but it's just not showing anything. Let's bring this this label. I'm gonna grab these for a moment. But let's put them first, so I can access them. Find it up here. Just lay that through. And add lab. I see. I can really grab all of this and then put it up here. What? Hold on, I'm fucking up a lot of shit here. Everything back. Okay, let's think here. All this it doesn't really change for me to not have game panel key and then the button there. I mean, certainly game panel key aren't needed, right? I mean, game panel, key. Are absolutely needed. What is needed? I think that's it. I mean, what else is really needed? I don't think I can. And text 3 is defined way ahead of time, right? Text is, yeah, way up here. Not exactly sure why I'm getting that error. I'm trying to think. This is already defined. Count is necessary. In. These two for try and see what happens. I got 2310. That when I click the submit button. Yes, I definitely need blood. Not much is necessary. With 30,000. And the button is no longer working. Very nice. I'm missing the... No? Oh, it should be working. Have the button. So my print statement too. Interesting. I'm in a large house. Go here, deposit amount. Deposit me 20,000. Nothing there. That's it. Let's make sure everything is working. My statement could still be working. It's not withdrawing the money though. I'm gonna withdraw it once. 1,000 or something. That added money, I believe. Took money away, but if I do it again, it'll add it. I got my new exception. That was weird. I've been recording for around an hour. So amount 1,000. 3,000. Doesn't work. That is so odd. There we go. Now it's taking some money out. I think it just added money though. That's not what it's supposed to be. Bro, it's supposed to be balance minus what it was inside of the text. Take away $20. Wait, $7.98. Another 20, please. Not. 3,000, please. And then I could create a whole nother panel down here. I think I'm gonna do that because I think that's just the easier way to go about this. I'm gonna call it panel. But we'll do this. Got to click enter. I also have to figure out how to not end up doing that, because so people can change things so it draw more. 3,000. Has withdrawn the amount, but nothing has been colored. The other one's set at. Wait, I know. Still has to be added. This may or may not work, but it's a temporary fix now. Let's enter. Let's take away $20.10. Oh, there it is. Now I can add text. Balance. It's called Baller, right? $3,000. This is the new account balance. Take down this background color. I screwed it up again. Why would I do this? I know it's going to be a problem. Why would I actually do that? Enter. Withdraw $1,000. Oh, can I turn this into like a printf statement? I do like percent like 2F, and then put a baller here. I mean, I'm actually not sure how to format. Well, that's all that matters. So deposit, it's gonna be like this all over again. Basically. And then the other one could be exactly the same. Transferring money and withdrawing is basically the same. I don't have anything to keep information on what account it's being switched to, so all of this up to here. I don't need all of this. Let's see, how much do I need? I just figured out something I could do eventually. Like, I do like string that format here. Account balance sent 2F baller here. Ball here instead, right? That works. I can use this again. That here. I can literally use this verbatim. Transfer money. Except I don't need, well no, I still need to leave it. It's good. Let's try depositing money now. I want to deposit $10,000 in my broke account. 1052. Roll. That's good. Well, that's funny. Seeing as how I was doing this, I wasn't on money, I was depositing. Oh, that's why. Should be check 3. I'm gonna deposit a lot of money to my account, just $10,000. before I did. Ah, I forgot to put my decimal. Boy. I'm gonna deposit $1,000. Here we go. So let me bring this back. This label on the x-axis. Instead, put this at 590. Much better. Deposits money. I'm gonna deposit $15,000. Yeah, there we go. My thing is, I want to deposit $10,000. I want to deposit $1,000. It's taking money now. It's withdrawing money. And I think that may be due to the fact that command num may have reset itself. Right, because command num is automatically set to 1. Thing is, I'm kind of stuck in the label. I can't like interact with the application after that, so that's what I need to figure out. Otherwise, this is a very splendid app so far. And I also want to add customer service, so I definitely need some time for that. How much is it? 1 hour and 14 minutes. Let me think. I want to go about this. It's gonna take some more brainstorming. Let me think. I mean, why does it keep access? Why can't I like move out of it? Let me see if I'm just like not doing what I need to do or something. Draw my. I want to withdraw $1,000 from it. If I click escape, will I be able to? Alright, I want to withdraw $10,000. I think that's because it's not working with my new balance, right? That's also another problem. Oh, since game balance doesn't update. So instead, this game balance never updates. That is another problem I'll have to deal with. So I think that'll have to be for tomorrow. I think that's all I want to do for now.